How to change site address in Wix. So the first thing that we want to do is log into our Wix account and then select the website that you want to change the address for. Now once we have the website selected, you can go on any page here, set up our home page, and we have to click on the three dots right here. Now we will select rename site. Now even though it says rename site, you will be able to see an option here to actually change the site URL, which is going to be the address of your website. So right here, this is going to be the free address that you have set, and you can change the text that comes after the slash here. So you can type whatever you want. And after you have typed it out, you will click on save, and that's going to change your address. Now you can also connect your own domain here if you have Wix Premium, but as you can see, I don't have it, but you will be able to get the option right here. And that's how you do it. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.